Afternoon, guys. We kind of got off to a really late start. We didn't leave the house until, what, 4:30? Something like that.
It's 4:30 now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, never mind, not 4:30. Anyways.
About 3:30.
3:30. Anyways, we didn't get out of the house or anything until pretty late. But we are at, would you say it was Highbanks?
Highbanks Metro Park.
Highbanks Metro Park. This is a new one that neither one of us have been to. Definitely has a lot more hills than the last place we went to, so. But it's really pretty out here. There's like nothing but trees and a dried up creek. There are a lot of Pokemon players. We saw like this huge group of kids that were playing, and just walking past them, there was a whole bunch more. And it's kind of weird, like, I like the fact that it gets people outside and everything, but you don't really get to enjoy it because you're staring at your phones. And then my husband had a good point that whenever you're playing Pokemon and stuff like that, you end up walking slower and then you gotta stop. And I mean, yeah, I'll probably end up checking my phone, but I'm not gonna just have it out the entire time we're here. Mainly because this is a place we've never been to before and I want to see it. Plus, it drains my battery really bad. Aaron just scared the crap out of me. He finds these fresh blackberries and he goes and eats one and then gives one to me, and they're pretty good. And then he gets on Google and immediately says, oh, yep, I was right. You're so mean to me. They are good though. I'm actually in the light. I got most of the dye off of my hands, but my nails are still dyed pink. And I still have it, like, it's on my neck. I can't get it off. Aaron just saw a snake. And he was acting kind of like it was like a big snake. It was like this long.
It's more like this.
No, it was not.
Yeah,
it was not that
big. It was
big.
moving, so it was like compacted as it.
Anyways, it was this teeny little baby snake, and now he's gonna be paranoid. He doesn't like snakes very much. He thinks they're evil. No, they're not. Oh, God.
The spiders, they have 8 of them, so they're extra trustworthy.
Nope. Well, then centipedes.
That's different.
How? There's more legs.
They're not really legs.
They're legs.
They're so evil.
Who's making up these rules?
Me?
Why?
I've spent more time outdoors than you, so I'm upset.
Oh my God. Aaron just said we're gonna go see something creepy. What? What? Oh. Oh. Jeez. You said creepy. I wasn't expecting a cemetery. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I just want to thank everybody for all of your support and everything. It really means a lot to me that you guys are liking my videos and subscribing, so keep it up. Also, we just found out that 2 of Aaron's little brothers are going to be coming to visit us here in a couple weeks. So I'm pretty excited about that. We haven't seen them since Thanksgiving, so it's going to be really fun having them here. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and call it a night. So, night, guys.